Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we got a 2019 Nissan Rogue. And this Nissan Rogue is has a 2.0 motor, and we're going to go over how you would replace or change the oil in the motor. So we have our dipstick here, we have our oil cap here. We're just going to loosen it off for fun. It's not always necessary, but it's just there. Now we'll go down onto the bottom and we'll remove the drain plug to drain out all the oil and the oil filter and do all that part. So this is your oil pan, and this is the oil drain plug. That is it's a 14 millimeter wrench or socket, and you'll loosen it and we remove it. Make sure that the container that you're going to put this oil in can hold the volume of oil that you're going to be draining. This happens to be, takes 4 quarts of oil, and so you just need to make sure you've got something that can hold your 4 quarts. And while that's draining, I'm going to go get a new copper crush washer to put on here. Alright, so we've got a new copper crush washer on here to be able to give a good seal. That good and tight, the oil drain plug. And now we'll move our oil pan to be under the oil filter. Oil filter here. Use some filter pliers to be able to loosen the filter. So just wipe this clean. Where the filter housing goes, just gonna do your best to wipe it clean. And then I've got a new oil filter here. I put just a fresh bit of oil around the new rubber gasket. You also want to make sure that the old rubber gasket came off with the old oil filter. You don't want to double gasket this up, or it doesn't seal and you'll have a leaky oil filter. So you bring the oil gasket to the housing here, and then you turn it a 3/4 turn, hand tight. We don't ever use tools on the oil filter. You use a tool to remove it, never to put it back on. Not on this style of oil filter. So with that on, now we just make sure we clean up all the oil. So next we want to put the oil in. This is a 020 oil is what is the owner's manual says to put in, as well as a full synthetic. And this engine takes 4 quarts. Alright, so with the 4 quarts of oil put in there, then we'll go ahead and give it a minute to drain down, and then you'll check it to make sure we've got the front back. You want to make sure that your vehicle is on as level as it can be. So this vehicle is jacked up, it's on jack stands. It's actually all 4 tires are up and down. But if it wasn't, you would want to remove your jack stands, lower your vehicle so it's on a good level surface, or as level as you can, to be able to get the best accurate reading. So then we're going to pull the dipstick out, we're going to wipe it clean, And then we're going to check that we have the proper amount of oil in there. We were right there in the operating range, maybe a little bit above right at the moment, but it also hasn't filled up the oil filter because we haven't ran the engine. But that is full. It's to where it needs to be. We've added 4 quarts of oil of our 020 full synthetic as required by the engine manufacturer, and it's recorded in the owner's manual. So then you just clean up stuff and make sure you put your oil cap back on. So that's how you change your engine oil on your 2019 Nissan Rogue with the 2.0 motor. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.